Hello, and welcome to another tutorial. Today, we're moving away from the Aftons and to the Emilys. Today, we're going to be doing Puppet from Five Nights at Freddy's 2. You probably remember if you played that game. So the blocks are light blue concrete for her box, purple concrete for the stripe on the box, light gray concrete for her, for the little wind-up thingamajiggy on the side of the box, red concrete for her cheeks, and the little red thing on the side of the winding box, white concrete for her mask and her buttons, black concrete for the black eyes and her mouth and her body, and lime green concrete for her pupils, cause I just want her eyes to stand out. So, the box is 16 blocks wide. Like that. Then we go up by 9 on both sides. Same over here now. Like that. And you can fill this in. Like this. Oh. And we're gonna put the stripe down. So we're gonna go over by 6. Right here. You just same on the other side. Make sure it's 4 blocks wide. We go all the way up. Got this part right here and fill it in. Do the same on this side too, and the other one. Like that. She really likes her colors, doesn't she? Okay, now we're going to do the little crankamajiggy on the side of a box. So we're gonna go down by 2, right here. Go over by 1. No, yeah, go over by 2 here. Go down by 2. And over by 4. Now these 2 blocks here, we're going to put a little red dot right here and fill that in and go up by 1. Now you have the whole little crankamajiggy on the side of a box. Now we're going to do the main character of this. Now we're going to go and fill her that part. Oh, base is like 4 blocks wide. Go over by 1 and fill this in over here. Up by 1, over by 1, do the same on this side. And we're going to go down, all the way down to that box. Do the same on the other side. Make sure it's going to be 3 blocks on both sides. Over by 1 on both sides. And down by 2. Really 1. Over by 2. Go up by 1. Over by 1. And up. Like that. Wait. Actually, I think it's like this. do one block over and down, so on like that. One block over. I think one block like that. Now we're gonna go by 4. You could use a blue any color block. That's a light color to make sure where it is. Oh, like that. 2 blocks wide for her neck. So let's do her buttons. 1 button right here. It's 2 and 2 again, over and over. Add a little button right here, poking out. So her mask is 4 blocks wide. Up by 1. Same to do over here. Cut her little cheeks. Go over by 1 again. And go up by 5. Like this. Go over by 1. And up by 2. And fill this in. It should be 6 blocks wide. Now let's do her face. Her mouth is 2 blocks wide, up by 1 on both sides to make it look like a little smile. Fill that in. And now her cheeks. Her cheeks would be right here. 2 and 2. Same like her buttons, for example. Fill her little cheek gaps underneath her cheeks. And fill in this gap. Now we're gonna do her eyes. Oh, and this should be 4 blocks wide. Go here, and go up by 2, over by 1, same as on this side, and add her little pupil. Like that. And fill her in. Like this. Oh, wait. Oh, sorry. The cheeks are supposed to go down next to the mouth. Then eyes go down like this. And fill that in. Oh. Like that. Now if you wanted to, you can put purple here. But for me personally, I like to keep it white. And that's all completed. Isn't she cute? Now, I hoped you liked it. And if it helped, well, I'm glad. See you on the next one. Bye.